So another feature that we have is called Microsoft Merchant Center. You can create a store here, or you can import it from Google Merchant Center. So you can create your store manually and give it a name, then install the tag, the universal event tracking tag on your website, and then your website will appear here. If not, you can just validate the Bing webmaster tools. Now I have installed the pixel here, validated via UET tag. But the problem is I have two of them, so they are conflicting with each other. That is why I have to remove one. So if I click on the UET tag helper, it's a Chrome extension, you can download it. I have two. So I have installed it using app. This one is a Microsoft plugin. This one is a third-party plugin. So I have I have used this one for sign ups. So I have to remove one in order my website to appear here. And because I don't use this account, I have no intention to use Microsoft Ads Merchant Store. But so the key features of Microsoft Merchant Center is that product catalog management. So we have product feeds. So merchants can upload their product feeds in formats such as XML, CSV, or TSV. So the feeds include details like products, title, descriptions, prices, and images. Also, we have automatic updates. So the merchant center can be set to automatically pull product data from your website at regular intervals, ensuring that the listings are always up to date. We also have product ads. So when you create a store, of course, then we have product ads. So shopping campaigns. Once the products are uploaded to the merchant center, they can be used in Microsoft shopping campaigns. So these campaigns allow businesses to showcase their products directly in search results, complete with images, prices, and descriptions. Local inventory ads. So for businesses with physical stores, Microsoft Merchant Center supports local inventory ads with display products available at nearby stores to users searching online. Store management is another feature. So for example, we can use multiple stores. So if a business operates multiple online stores, the merchant center allows for creation and management of different stores within a single account. So this helps us in organizing and targeting products for different regions or market segmentation. And we also have promotion management. So merchants can create promotions and discounts that will appear alongside product ads. This is a great way to attract attention to special deals and increase click-through rates. Another feature we have is product performance reports. So we have analytics. The merchant store provides detailed reports on performance of products and shopping campaigns. So metrics such as impressions, clicks, and conversions can be tracked to optimize ad spending and improve ROI. We also have diagnostics. So the platform also offer diagnostics tools to identify and fix issues with product feeds, such as disapproved products or data mismatches. And six, we have integration with other platforms. So, for example, third-party integrations. So you can integrate with various e-commerce platforms and third-party tools for seamless data transfer and management. So this includes platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and more. We also have Microsoft Shopping and product listings. So we have free listings. So it supports free product listings where your products can appear in the shopping tab on Bing at no additional cost, enhancing visibility without extra advertising spend. We also have paid listings, so businesses can also choose to promote their products through paid shopping ads, which can be shown in prime positions on Bing search results. So there are several benefits of using Microsoft Merchant Center. So first, we have wide reach. So using Microsoft's ecosystem, merchants can reach millions of users across Bing, MSN, Microsoft Edge, as well as on partner sites. Ease of use. So the platform is designed to be user-friendly with a straightforward setup process and comprehensive support documentation to help merchants get started quickly. Cost efficiency. So with the option of free listings and detailed performance reporting, businesses can optimize their advertising strategies for better cost efficiency and enhance the targeting through shopping campaigns and local inventory ads. Businesses can target users based on location, device, search behavior, leading to more effective marketing. But there are some challenges I would like to warn you before you consider creating one. Feed quality. Ensuring that the product feed is accurate and up to date is crucial for the success of shopping campaigns. Compliance. Microsoft has strict guidelines regarding the quality and content of product listings. Non-compliance can lead to product disapproval. And competition, of course, like other platforms, there is competition for ad placements. So it is important to bid strategically and optimize product listings for better visibility. So Microsoft Merchant Center is a powerful tool for online retailers looking to enhance their presence across Microsoft's ecosystem, offering robust features for managing, promoting, and optimizing product listings.